The interior lights are controlled by these keys located just above the rear view mirror. Touch this key to turn the interior lights on. The lights will illuminate regardless of door positions. The brightness of the map lights can be controlled by this key. Touch the key again to turn the lights off. Touch this key to turn the interior lights off when a door is opened. The lights will not illuminate regardless of door positions. Touch the key again to turn the lights on when a door is opened. Touch the map light to turn it on or off. Touch the rear personal light once to turn it on, again to dim the light, and once more to turn the light off. The rear cargo light will illuminate when the lift gate is opened and turn off when it closes. If so equipped, the INFINITI light path will project onto the ground when the driver's door is opened within 60 seconds of turning off the engine. For vehicles equipped with personalized ambient lighting, here is how to adjust the settings. Touch Settings. Vehicle. Interior light. Colored ambient. Then select the setting you want to adjust. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.